secant sides with lengths 30 cm, 18 cm, and 9 cm form a triangle. So, gagamitan or mag-apply tayo ng triangle inequality theorem para ma-check natin kung ang tatlong sides na ito ay kayang mag-form ng triangle. So, ito yung formula para sa triangle inequality theorem para ma-check natin. A plus B is greater than C and B plus C is greater than A and C plus A is greater than B. So, kailangan ay maging true ito lahat para masatisfy natin yung triangle inequality theorem. So, okay, tignan natin. So, let A equals 30. So, si B naman is 18 and si C 9. Okay? So, A equals 30 plus, so B equals 18 is greater than 9. So, 30 plus 18 equals 48 is greater than 9. So, 48 is greater than 9, true or false? So, this one is true. Okay, true. Check yung ating unang requirement. Or next, B, 18 plus yung C natin ay 9 is greater than, so yung A ay 30. So, 18 plus 9 equals 27. 27 is greater than 30. Ayan. 27 is greater than 30 is false. Ayun, false. So, ibig sabihin ay yung 30 cm, 18 cm, and 9 cm ay hindi pwedeng mag-form ng triangle. Kasi nagkaroon na ng false. So, kahit ganun, ituloy pa natin. 9, yung A ay 30, ang B ay 18. So, 9 plus 30 is 39. So, ito ay true. So, yan. Meron tayong dalawang true at isang false. So, kailangan ay true dapat itong tatlo para makonsider natin nung yung 30 at 18 at 9 ay kaya mag-form ng triangle. So, since na may false, yung 30, 18, and 9 ay hindi pwedeng mag-form ng triangle.